Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So as we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next tip. So here I have given here tip, don't use multiple or operators, use in instead. So you have to use in operator instead of multiple or operators. So for example, you want to do multiple conditions check on single value, right? So here what I am doing, so here I have written it is lengthy to write multiple or operators, so you can shorten your condition statement by using in instead. So here a is equal to 1, so here a is equal to 1 is there, and here I am checking multiple conditions, I am checking on single variable, that is a. So if a is equal to 1 or a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 3, so here I am checking multiple conditions using or operator on this a, right? So here it is a bit lengthy, so instead of using multiple or operators, you have to use membership operator, that is in. So how to use that? So here if a in 1 2 3, so here what it will do, it will check that whatever the a you have given, is it 1? If it is 1, it will return true. If it is 2, it will return 2, it will return true, and if it is 3, it will return true, right? So this is the membership operator in you have to use instead of using multiple condition or operator, right? So here whatever we have seen this, we will see this practically. So first approach we will see, so that we have seen, that is using multiple or operators. For example, a is equal to 1 I am taking, and here I am checking multiple conditions on a variable. So I am checking a is equal to 1 or a equal to 2 or a equal to 3, means if any of the condition is true, so then it is the true, right? And here I will print here found a as a, found a we will take, right? So if I run this code, so I will get here found a, right? So here if I take 2, so now earlier a was 1, so that's why condition was true, so that's why we got found a. So here also we will get found a. So if I take here 3, so here also I will get found a. So if I take here 10, so now condition will be false and this print statement will not get executed, right? So this is the approach when you are using multiple or operators. The same thing you can implement using membership operator, that is a in. So here I am giving list of members 1 2 3, right? And here we will give print found a here, right? So now I will comment out this code and I will take here 1, right? So now if I run this, I will get here found a here, because a is 1, means in this list a is whatever the value of a is there, so that is existing. So if I take here 2, so this found a here, means whatever the a value is there, it is member of this list, so that's why we are it is returning true, and this whatever the body of this if statement is there, so that is getting executed. So if I take here 3 and if I run this, so here found a here. So here if I take 10, so now whatever the value of a, that is 10, it is not member of this list, so that's why this print statement will not get executed. So if I run this, so it has not got executed, so that's why output is not visible, right? So instead of using multiple or a statement, so you can use this membership operator, that is in, right? So if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video.